Hey guys, so today's expression is sick as dog. Sick as dog. Sick as dog means that to be very ill, especially when it comes to digestion systems, malads. So if you have a stomach ache, you can explain it by saying sick as dog. In Kurdish we say زۆر نەخۆش بیت کاتێککە زۆر نەخۆش بیت و بە تایبەتی نەخۆشی گەدە کێشەی گەدە هێشی گەدە هەبێ ئەتوانی بڵێ sick as dog. Sick as dog. An example about sick as dog is I don't know what was in that stew last night, but I was sick as dog all night. I don't know what was in that stew, but I was sick as dog all night. I was sick as dog all night. نازانم چی لەناو ئەو شۆربایە بوو دێنێ بەڵام من نەخۆش بووم هەموو شەوم بە ناخۆشی بردەسەر معدەم ژانیە کرد گەدەم ژانیە کرد. This is our expression for today. Catch you in the next one.